In front of me is OPPO A53s, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, just unroll the list of all apps, then find and select Settings. Here, locate and open Fingerprint Face and Password, and now click on Add Fingerprint. Now just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, we've got the notification. You should be aware of that. So if you forget your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone or recover your data. Just tap on Continue. And at first you need to set up some backup to your fingerprint. It can be PIN code, pattern, or the password, but I will stay with password. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you have to add your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is at the back cover of your device, right here. So just place your fingerprint here, and as you can see now, you can smoothly add it. So just lift your finger up and then put it on the sensor. Tap on Continue, and just add the edges of your fingerprint. So it's working properly, and as you can see, it has been done. So from now on, you can unlock your device either with this fingerprint, I just touched the sensor, or you can use this backup password. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.